going on, guys? Welcome to a new video, and today I'll be playing with my remote control car, which is this Mini Cooper S, which I've had for quite a long time. It says all four on the side, but it's actually four-wheel drive. So now it's going to be so remote control car fails. So not driving along, going down the car. And the car's stuck. Right then. Now, another fail. Someone who's very stupid got into a tree. Car gets out, reverses into the bark. Now, a simple failure here. Reversing down, and you get stuck. And then you reverse, and you get stuck in the bark. And then driving along, driving along, you go on there, you go down there, and then you can't see your car, and then you get stuck. There. Oh, that should come out. And you go under there, and it gets stuck, so you have to go down to get it. And I'm really not very good at this. This is a safety procedure. Flying down the hill. Right, let's just get it. Right. Just on the side. Right, driving along. Down the track. Driving along, down the track, and then get like this car. Reverse your car, and then you get stuck in like a bit like it. Put in real drive, and wheels on the ground. And the racetrack. And then you get stuck. Now I'm going to see if I can recreate the one I did earlier. Press into the bush, reverse it, and then it flips over as well. That's not really the one I want. I need to go at a higher speed. Okay, that wasn't it. I'm trying to get one. Anyway. That was nearly it. I need a tiny bit more speed when I get over this, so I'm going to get a bigger run up. Where's that? Spring out. Oh. Is that going to work? I'm probably going to have to wash this after I'm finished. So why not like this? I'll crack a bit further. Reverse and then, oh no. When it's sitting there, I think it looks a bit like a, oh wait, no. That's just a grill, maybe a bit like a paceman. Anyway, now this is going to be the major fail of the day. Driving along, you go downhill, brakes aren't working, you go off a cliff.